From Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery. This is item ER-138. Comes with this very nice belt pouch, right? Nylon construction, Velcro closure. We have here a folding knife. Very nice. Note the polished bolsters. Right? It is a lockback design. Nice design there on the spacer as well. There's a nail nick as your opener. Very traditional. The blade itself, 3 inches in overall length. It is a hollow grind, partial hollow grind, satin finish. This would be a great knife for the outdoors to keep on your belt. If you're a camper, hiker, hunter, make an excellent gift. Look at the very nice pinned handle scales. This knife, it's not too heavy. It won't weigh you down. But it's great for just camp utility. Classic drop point design. Strong lockback mechanism. Altogether a great, handy, and attractive little knife from Elk Ridge and Master Cutlery.